Cat. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, so this is the day that I actually get to be doing something. So here is my trophy, and I'm gonna do something very bad. Am I gonna do it, or am I not? I'm not gonna do it. Let's see what I do. I'm going to sleep. Doing this. Oh no! Just follow me. Just follow me. I'm gonna be coach. Okay, so now I'm done. So now I got the air conditioner on. I got my fake fish here. They're wrecked. Who got wrecked? Okay, so no, it means get wrecked. Okay, so got my trophy here. I'm gonna put it here. Gonna look at the window. Hopefully it's not that like the last time. Again. Okay, so my camera is kind of blurry, so I gotta end the video here. So.